This video is intended to bring awareness to incident commanders that unmanned aerial systems, or UAS, commonly known as drones, are a resource that is available through MIchigan MABAS. They can be requested for any incident, whether large or small, where the IC believes that a UAS would be beneficial. Drones not only provide real-time video streamed directly to the incident commander, they can also live stream via the internet to allow an off-site command post to see what's happening on the ground in real time. Thermal imaging allows the incident commander to see even in complete darkness. Drones can also carry small payloads by delivering radios, flotation devices, and even ropes, making them ideally suited for ice rescue. A gas meter can also be attached to allow a drone to detect hazardous atmospheres. A UAS can be used to create maps and 3D models, allowing accurate measurements including distance, volume, and area. These can be helpful after a natural disaster to measure the exact size of the incident, or during an active wildfire to measure progress. Utilizing forward-looking infrared radiometric thermal imaging, or FLIR, a drone can even be used as a stationary device sitting on a table that can conduct contactless temperature screening and efficiently pre-screen large groups of people as they enter a facility. Drones can be an invaluable tool for trench rescue, allowing the incident commander a detailed bird's-eye view of the scene while keeping a safe distance from the hazard. MIchigan MABAS drone teams are classified according to FEMA typing. A Type 2 team is less capable as it cannot necessarily fly at night, carry a payload, or utilize thermal imagery. When making a request for a UAS response, MIchigan MABAS will send the resources based upon the FEMA typing. This flowchart is designed to allow an incident commander who has no knowledge of drones to choose the correct type. It is based on 3 criteria. Is the expected duration less than 4 hours? Is the expected mission to be conducted only during daylight hours? And are the photos or videos required in the regular visible spectrum, or do they require thermal imagery? A UAS team consists of 2 pilots and a technical specialist. A Type 1 team will also include thermal imaging and the ability to fly at night. To activate a UAS team, the incident commander can make the request through their division dispatch center.